Every second, somewhere in the world, a machine is being built that pushes the absolute limits of human engineering. This is not mass production, and this is not automation at scale. This is Bugatti, a brand where perfection is not a goal, but the minimum requirement. Inside the Bugatti factory in Molsheim, France, the Chiron begins its life as a philosophy where art meets science, luxury meets brutality, and precision meets emotion. Designed on powerful computers through thousands of hours of 3D modeling, wind tunnel testing, and aerodynamic simulations, every curve of the Chiron serves a purpose, from cooling to downforce to beauty. At its core lies a carbon fiber monocoque chassis that is stronger than steel, lighter than aluminum, and engineered to survive speeds beyond 400 kilometers per hour. Crafted through weeks of hand layering, extreme heat, pressure, and uncompromising X-ray inspections. Powering this masterpiece is the legendary 8-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, producing 1,500 horsepower and assembled by a single master technician who installs more than 3,700 parts by hand before testing it at full power. That power flows through a bespoke 7-speed dual-clutch transmission and all-wheel drive system calibrated for absolute control at extreme speeds. Carbon ceramic brakes, titanium components, advanced aerodynamics, and aerospace-level suspension systems ensure the Chiron can stop as brutally as it accelerates. Inside, master artisans hand-stitch leather, mill aluminum from solid blocks, and perfect every detail, even those never seen. After weeks of meticulous painting, final assembly brings the machine to life, followed by relentless testing, inspection, and refinement until nothing remains but perfection. In a world driven by mass production, Bugatti chooses obsession, and that obsession is what transforms engineering into legend. This is the complete manufacturing journey of the Bugatti Chiron.